Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to earn Sweatcoins faster and grow your balance every day. The first step is to keep your phone's motion and location tracking turned on at all times. Sweatcoin only counts verified outdoor steps. Next, use the Boost feature in the app. Tap it before a walk or run, and for 20 minutes, your steps will earn extra Sweatcoins. You can do this once or twice a day, so time it when you're most active. Another great trick is to invite friends. Go to the Invite Friends tab, share your unique link, and you'll earn bonus Sweatcoins for every person who joins. Also, check the Daily Rewards section to watch quick ads for free coins. It only takes seconds. Finally, stay consistent. Sweatcoin rewards daily movement, so the more you walk outdoors, the faster you earn. Combine boosts, invites, and daily activity, and you'll see your Sweatcoin balance climb in no time. Subscribe the channel for more videos.